Hey YouTube, so I got another wonderful package today, and of course it came from China. Unfortunately, like a lot of these packages are coming from today, so let's go ahead and see if we can crack it open. Use my trusty samurai, and let's see. Okay. So we have this it is the AC13 4K Ultra HD handheld camcorder. I know they range from anywhere from 60 to 150 depending on which brand you buy. This doesn't even look like it has a brand, so let's see what it looks like. Let's unbox it. There is no brand, so whatever model it is, let's go ahead. Okay, and then in the inside it says 4K 3-inch handheld camcorder. Please format the memory card before using the video camera. Bitty formation, all kinds of different languages, Chinese, 4K Ultra HD, Japanese language. And let's see. Alright, so in the box we have, definitely smells new. You got a book, all kinds of, some of it's color actually. Some of the book is color, so that's good. OnePlus. Quick guide tells you some frequently asked questions. Then you've got what looks like is the protector. Two of them, kind of cheesy, but DV37 to 72 hood, so it goes over the front. And then we got one battery, another battery, and then we got, all right, the microphone. Here's the microphone. So let's see. We have, okay. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty decent. It's a little light. It's okay. And you got a manual for plugging in the digital microphone. All right, and then we've got a USB cable to C. That's pretty good. And then we have a stabilizer arm for mounting. That's kind of heavy, so that's pretty good. Hold the camera up and everything while you record. And then of course you have a manual as well. Shows you how handheld bracket instructions. Okay, well that's good. Then you've got a remote. Looks like it's got the power and pictures, video, menu, mode. Okay. Comes with a battery. That's pretty good. And then we have, looks like a battery charger. Yep, battery charger. Plug in your C+ right there. And it's a double battery charger, so you can plug in both batteries at the same time. And then last but not least, we have what feels like is the unit. Okay, and it says DV Cam on it. And yeah, it's actually a pretty nice case. So not too bad. Protect your camera. And then we've got the 4K Ultra HD. And it feels pretty good. Feels kind of light, but it's not bad. It actually got the power button, mode, menu, up, down, and then of course you got photo, P-H-O-T-O, however they spell photo, and then you've got the lens, and yeah, it looks like it's 18x zoom. So So I'm going to go ahead and charge up the batteries, because I don't believe they are, but we can try real quick and see what it looks like. 42 megapixels, still image recording, and it's 3840 by 2160p high definition, so it's 4K Ultra. So the quality should be very good once I go to test it, and I will make some videos as well and add them. But let's go ahead and see. Oh, it does have the SD card inside too, and it's got a 32 gig. All right, so it's got a 32 gig built in there. So then we're going to go ahead and plug it back in for now. Now I don't know if any of these batteries will take a charge, but we will see. Okay. Well, it came out, so let's make sure it goes. No, that is not the way it came back in. There we go. Alright, so let's try one of these batteries and see if it turns on before I have to charge them. Okay, so they click into place. That's pretty cool. And it says a DC volt, made in China, of course. So let's try to see if the power works. And it does hold a, it does have a pretty decent screen. So if you can see, let's see what it looks like with the quality. Ah, pretty good actually. So I will make some videos and I'll upload them. Let's see, 4K. And then it says, according to this, the battery is fully charged. And it's got the zoom. Well, the zoom works pretty good. Yep. Auto playback. All right. Well, I will make some. It does have the plug-in for the mic and the USB, and then the record button. As the record button kind of feels loose, but that's just a button, of course. Doesn't feel like it's extremely solid, but it does seem pretty decent, well made. So I will make some videos with it, and then you could see the quality, and I'll put the link where you could pick it up. Alright, I'll get back to you. It says the microphone is now on. It says it's on low and then high. Okay, now it claims to be on high. I really don't know, but it does look like it's pretty good quality with the 4K. So I will make some more videos, and you can see how good it is. All right. Alright, let's see what kind of zoom quality it has. Not the greatest. Now when you zoom in, when it's stable, hopefully you can hear audio decent. Well, there you go. There's some videos. Let you take a look. And that's a review and some actual testing. Alright, take care.